Hello everyone, I am Sonam Sandhu from PTE Made Easy. In this session, we are going to focus on one of the tasks of PTE Speaking module. And this task is all about short question answers. Basically, a short question will be asked from you, and you simply need to answer that question. In this session, we are also focusing on picture based question type. So, in short question answers, you can either get a random question related to the synonym of a particular word used in a sentence, or it can be related to some picture as well. You get somewhere around 7 to 8 questions like such. Now, we are going to practice some questions in order to understand this particular task of PT speaking effectively. Let's proceed to the first one. And the question here is listen to the audio and answer the question. So basically, you actually get to listen to the audio and then you have to simply answer whatever has been asked in the audio. Let us proceed with the first question. Listen to it, guys.
What does this symbol represent?
So the speaker clearly asked, what does this symbol represent? So the symbol is the symbol of copyright. So we'll simply answer copyright. What will we say? Copyright. Next, coming to the next question. Here, we have to look at the image before even listening to the question. So, when we look at the image, we can see that they have already circled this CEO. So, that means something is going to be asked about CEO. So, let's see what's the question.
Which is the position in the company hierarchy circle?
What is the position in the company hierarchy circle? So clearly they are talking about CEO. Either we can answer CEO or we can say Chief Executive Officer. Both the answers will be marked correct. Then we have the next question.
What animal is displayed in this image?
What animal is displayed in this image? So here we have panda. So let's proceed to fourth question. And before even listening to the question, we should look at the image. As far as the image is concerned, we can clearly see they are talking about or they are going to talk about London Eye because they have marked it red here. That means they can talk about London Eye, but still we will look at it carefully. Now listen to the question.
Which location does the Google map is displayed?
Which location does the Google map is displaying? So clearly if we are talking about this, so it is displaying London Eye. So the correct answer is London Eye. Let's look at the next one. So after looking at the image, we can clearly say that these students, what are they doing? They are experimenting in the lab. They are doing some experiment in the lab. This is what we can get to know or we get to know from this image.
What do the people in the picture doing?
So what are the people in the picture doing? So they are experimenting in the lab. So the correct answer is experimenting in lab. Okay. Two questions more like such. Sixth one. So here what do we have? We basically have a pictorial representation, a pie chart. And in the pie chart, they have shown us various figures. They can ask us about any of these data. Okay. So we have total of like 7. Okay. Asia, Europe, North America, Latin America, Africa, Middle East, Australia. So out of these 7, they can ask us anything. So we just need to listen to the question now.
Which country has 18% of world internet usage?
So clearly they are talking about 18% and here we have 18%. 18% of world internet users. So where exactly? Which country is this? Is this Latin America? No, that is light green in color. It is North America, dark green in color, North America. Next question, question number 7. What is this lady doing? Dry wipe glass boards available in 11 colors. So what is she doing? She's writing on the board. Okay, let us look at the question.
What is the woman in the picture doing?
So, what is the woman in the picture doing? She's writing on the board. What can be the answer? Writing on board. Okay. So, this is the way we need to do. Now, here we have an image and this image is of a bicycle. Okay. Bicycle image. Let us look at the or let us listen to the question.
Which vehicle is displayed in the picture?
Which vehicle is displayed in the picture? So clearly it is a bicycle. So this is the way we need to attempt picture-based short question answers. Simply this one video is more than enough to understand the strategy of attempting any question like such. This is the easiest amongst all the 5 tasks of PTE speaking. Try to score full marks in this one. Best of luck and try to remember one thing. PTE आसान है. Just follow us.